typically in underwater housing, you need like a square case that fits a specific body. So Outex is awesome because it actually is almost like a glove. It's like a rubber glove that goes on the camera, and it doesn't matter what kind of body you use. The Outex housing can fit 50 different cameras all with the same housing, which is why I loved it. And I'm like, okay, that's the guy I'm going with. And they were awesome. They were on set 3 out of the days that we were shooting, helping us, and it was way easier than I expected.
And if it's gonna rain, which it did every single day, how do you keep shooting through the rain? The Outex underwater housing allowed me to shoot underwater content, which was pivotal for shooting fly fishing.
It was the first time I had travelled to India, so I didn't entirely know what to expect. I'd seen these mind-blowing images that were totally unstaged, full of emotion and intensity, and this is what I was after. As a filmmaker and photographer, it was by far the most challenging environment I've ever experienced.
One of the things that I really like about the Outex housing, as an example of that, is that it's so light. So if I think that I'm going to be in a situation where I might get wet, and I'm not sure, I can just toss this into my bag and it takes up 0 space, it takes up 0 weight. Whereas a big underwater housing, which I have never owned, by the way, so I've done like 3 or 4 massively viral underwater shoots, but I still don't own a single camera housing.